I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're talking about a pretty hot topic. We always get asked, where do we get our protein? So when you're starting a plant-based diet, or if you have a friend that's eating plant-based, sometimes people get confused. They're like, wait a minute, how does this work? Where do you get your protein from? It's one of my favorite questions. So today we're gonna go through a few of my favorite go-to items to add to a smoothie to help get that protein in your diet. But just as a reassurance, you really do get protein from everything you consume as a whole food plant-based eater. So fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, beans, legumes, all of it is going to have protein content to it. So throughout the day, if you're eating a whole food plant-based diet, you really are gonna get enough and you don't have to worry. That's my biggest recommendation. But today, here are 4 of my favorites. So you can add flaxseed to your smoothies, chia seeds, hemp seeds, or chlorella. Hemp seeds I even like to add to salad sometimes. So we'll go through these in a little bit more detail. So hemp seeds are a complete protein. These are all going to be anti-inflammatory proteins, which is a great thing. They all have omega-3 fatty acids, some omega-6s, and they all have all of those amino acids that we need to form complete proteins in our bodies. So hemp seeds, great option for smoothie and salads. Chia seeds, you can make chia pudding, great option for smoothies there as well. Flax seeds is actually the only one that doesn't have all of the amino acids, but it's just missing one. So again, when you're eating a whole food plant-based diet, you're gonna be okay. You're gonna have the amino acids from another food item, they'll group together and you'll digest a complete protein. Flax seeds are also gonna be great for your digestive system. And then chlorella is one of my favorites. We actually sell this here at Plant too. This is a superfood. It's a green algae powder. It has all of your amino acids, it has iron, it has zinc, has a lot of good things for your immune system. This will actually help you build protein throughout the day. So this is like the all-time superfood when it comes to protein, overall longevity. Again, these are just a few of my favorites, but everything you're gonna eat as a whole food plant-based eater will end up creating enough protein in your body. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you give these a try. If you need help, comment below, let us know how we can support you, and I will see you next time.